Good morning, party people. It is Monday. Sun's out. We got blue skies. I don't think there's a cloud in the sky. And I am feeling good about today. This is episode 4 of the Cantilevered concrete patio. As you saw last week, I got the panels down for the platform for the slab, and this week I'm working on getting all my forms completed. So this thing has all its shape, and then I just need to add the steel. So stay tuned to see what it looks like when it's complete. Let's go! Well, that didn't work as planned. Section 1 done. And this right here is a screw. Ha, just kidding. So I was pointing out how I plan to fasten all the panels down to what I'm calling my rim board. Ultimately, I decided to go a different route. And there's another screw. I'm not sure why I originally thought I needed to point out each one of these screws, but it's content I have, so this is what I'm going with. Enjoy.
A few moments later.
Aha! So here is the different route I decided to go. In addition to checking level, as well as you'll see square of my vertical form board here, I decided to screw each one of those panels into the vertical form board on the exterior side of it, so that when it came time to removing this board after the concrete was poured, I'd have easy access to each one of the screws. It actually worked out really well. I'm glad I thought ahead. Boom. And just like that, people, forms are wrapped. Looking pretty good, if I do ask myself, and if I do say so myself. And check it out. this thing has taken its shape. What's next? I still gotta lay the steel for this. I gotta do some drilling into the concrete for some rebar dowels, and then obviously I have to shore up the entire side before pour day. So still more to come, but thanks for sticking around. Peace.